phase relationships. Phase relationship. Before phase relationship, we observe the sinusoidal AC wave. Sinusoidal AC wave. Let omega t taken on the x-axis, voltage taken on the y-axis. Omega t taken on the x-axis, voltage V taken on the y-axis. Here AC wave, positive half cycle, 0, negative half cycle, again 0. It starts from the 0, voltage peak value, it is the pi by 2, and next it is the 2 pi by 2, it becomes pi. 0, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 means 270 degrees, and next 2 pi, 360 degrees. 0, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, 360 degrees. Here V is equals to V naught sin omega t. V is equals to V naught sin omega t. It should be V naught, maximum voltage V naught. This is the AC voltage wave V, maximum or peak voltage V naught. The AC voltage is given by the V is equals to V naught sin omega t. Next, coming to the phase relations between voltage and current. Phase relationship between voltage and current. When you observe the phase relationship between voltage and current, if source voltage and current, if source voltage and current waves are graphed together, current waves are graphed together, then only we observe the phase relationship between voltage and current. Here the two waves are in step. The two waves are in step with each other. We observe three different types of relationships. One is the both waves, voltage and current waves are in step with each other. Second one is voltage wave leads the current wave. Voltage wave leads the current wave. Third one is current wave leads the voltage wave. Current wave leads the voltage wave. One is both are in step with each other. Second one, voltage leads the current. Third one is the current leads voltage. These three different types of phase relations we observed between the voltage and current. First, we take pure resistor. The circuit consists of only pure resistor. How we observe the phase relation? For an AC source voltage. For an AC source voltage. What is the AC source voltage? V is equals to V naught sin omega t. V is equals to V naught sin omega t. Sin omega t. Here the current through a resistor, when voltage is applied, the current is passed through the circuit. So the current through a circuit across the resistor, that means across the current through a resistor. By using Ohm's law, V is equals to IR. What is the Ohm's law? V is equals to IR. So write V is equals to V naught sin omega t, that is equals to the current considered as an IR. When I is equals to V naught sin omega t divided by R, that is equals to V naught by R. That means maximum voltage divided by resistor sin omega t. It shows the current and voltage. Sine waves are in phase. Like this is the graph representation. Taken time on x-axis, voltage or current on y-axis. Voltage. It is the voltage wave. Current wave. This is the current I. What it represents? The both current and voltage are in phase. Both current and voltage are in phase, or we state like this: their phase difference is 0. That means the phase difference between voltage and current is 0 when pure resistor is connected in AC voltage source. It is a simple explanation. When AC voltage is applied to the circuit with the pure resistor, this is the graph indicates the phasor diagram for V and I when pure resistor is applied to the AC source. Next, coming to the pure capacitor.